some. Check it out. I want scoop. I got some. Let's put a green one. The only problem with, dude, it's taking you sideways, bro. It's a giant.
I know.
It's a giant.
My hands go.
Oh. Pinching the tail. Here, Maxim. Hey! Yeah. Net.
Come on, chamou com os filhos.
Sai burro, tchau, já pega essa jada aí, cara. Good job. Yeah, me, it's dinner. The bar on the trough, nothing is past. Yeah, happy 4th of July, guys. Welcome back to another episode on what the beach has to offer today. Not what Amazon got to offer today. So we're on the way to the beach on the 4th of July.
Yep.
Trying to catch some what?
Lightning and pompano fish.
Trying to get on some fish today.
Woo.
Here we go. That's our favorite spot. Vilano Beach. Here we come. Look at that. No black veins. Just clean. This is what you want. Alright. Now, the sand fleas are also all over the beach. And I was able to scoop up some. Check it out. I want scoop. I got some. Color float right here. It's been getting a lot of action for us, so we make sure that we keep it on one of our rigs since it's favored by the fish. Here we go. Let's put a sand flea down here. Let's put a green one. Here we go. Yeah, I'm leaving the shrimp heads on today so we can get on a big jack or a big drum. Let's hope the catfish leave us alone today. Okay, here we go. The water is clean. The only problem with it is it's too hot. But other than that, we're okay. The beach is full of sand fleas. So we're definitely using sand fleas today. Just not on that rig. This is our shrimp rig. Is there something on there? Get out of the water, you two. Get out of the water, you two. Stay behind Kelvin. Oh, dude, it's taking you sideways, bro. It's a pump and no. Bro, that's a big fish, dude. That's lunch. Reel it in, reel it in. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Dude, that's lunch.
Look at that. Good job.
Yeah, good job, Kelly. It's a whiting.
I didn't even realize it was so heavy.
All right, we got a whiting on this one. Went for the upper hook on shrimp. Didn't touch the sand flea. Look like we got another fish on. You got a fish on? Keep going, sweetie.
Oh, it's so heavy, I can't.
It's all right. Oh, there, it's a giant.
I know!
It's a giant.
My hands go!
Dude.
You said that's a giant! That is not a giant! How is it hard? How is it
Because
hard?
it was another big fish up here, bro, but he got off.
We can use that for bait!
Yeah, we can.
No, how about the other fish?
Put it in your net.
It's in yours.
Oh! Here we go. Oh, yeah. Woo! My goodness. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at this whiting. Look at that. Huge. Oh. You ready? Oh, he saved it! He saved it! Ronaldo couldn't score, bro! Okay, let's try the again right here. Yeah, look at the sheep right there. Alright, this guy is 12 inches. He has to be 14 to keep.
Can
Let's
I
put
put
it
it
back.
back? Wait,
Like drum.
Can I take a picture of that one?
I want to make it on a video. I want to catch my
That's a long beard.
Yeah, they're loving the whole shrimp right now. We're just pinching the tail. And we're hooking the whole thing on there. Threading the whole shrimp. Just like that. With the head and everything. And they are close. Ce aici stai eu ai găsit, mă, gzim. E ke akoma? Po, goditi goxha fort. Jepi Gzimo, pampën no, Gzimo! Pampën no! Jepi!
Ja, maar nuk është pompa në ky.
Ky është pallameta.
Vajtë, majtë.
Oje.
Karnohet, e?
Aha.
Tu afër fare. E po qikë edhe po iku punë më dhe thot. Qoj të se, opa, na, se të shumë plumi.
Kru. Net.
Come on, se mos e kus
I
fia.
got it.
Ah, thank you.
Ja, neti këtu.
Tu afër pra.
Mhm.
Me ashtu, me së në fri, kokër.
Bukurosh?
What fish is that?
Hajde maj dhe herë këtu kallami ti për mi foto Gzimit.
Dad, what kind of fish is that?
This is pallameta. Sa i bukur që është plak, sa të gjata i ka këtë. Vena atë kallamin aty e maj herë ndorë, ta bëjmë i foto këtu. Ka dhe. Okej, tash mos ma mulo shumë peshun, kape nga mrapa, veja dorën nga mrapa që duket i çik modhe. Zjati durët nga unë? Ashtu te. Bravo Gzimo. Në trajse.
Trajse.
Rasa aty.
Jeme të ti. Dori darka.
Good job.
Dori darka.
Mirë, it's dinner.
Ja, për mirë kë.
The tide is moving now fast. The beach is full of sand fleas. Now that the tide is moving out, all the sand fleas are being exposed. I mean, they're literally walking on top of the sand. That's how many sand fleas is out here. The whiting, back to back. The black drum. Kazim, the guy next to us, he just got a pallameta, a good size. And everything is in front of the bar on the trough. Nothing is passed over the bar right now. Everything is closed. It is deep, so the fish are here. Even though that the high temperatures of the water are in the mid 80s, the fish are hungry and they want to eat. Now let's hope we get on something bigger. I think he got off. I think he got off. Damn it. He's off. He went for the shrimp. Go get me another shrimp. He went for the bottom hook. Damn. Took the whole shrimp. There we go, baby. Another whiting.
We get it off the whiting.
Well, we eating whiting for lunch. On shrimp. On shrimp, baby. These whiting out here are getting thick and they're hungry. For some reason, they want nothing to do with the sand fleas. Maybe because the beach is full of sand fleas and they're not in the mood for them. But they're tearing up the shrimp. And I'm threading the whole shrimp on there. I got so much shrimp in my cooler. I'm not even bothering on cutting them in small pieces. I'm feeding these whiting with the whole shrimp, yo. Kind of small, but they're alive.
Damn, it's a lot.
For you, my man. You can catch all the fish. That's our time, guys. We'll call it a day. It's lunchtime. We gotta go eat some lunch at the house. And we gotta get ready for the fireworks. So a nap is a must for the kids. Even though I wasn't gonna let them take a nap today, they're gonna take a nap because they didn't behave so good. As far as the fishing goes, the bite came on, the whiting were chewing, and then they shut off. You know, this last hour at the beach, nothing. Nobody was catching anything. But once they were biting, once they were hitting, the whiting and the palometa and black drum, a couple of them that got away, they were just constant hits, boom, 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 and then turned off, no more fish. But I did notice that they wanted nothing to do with the sand fleas today. I'm thinking, because the beach is full of sand fleas, and they already have them there, so they're like, we're full of sand fleas, if you got something else, we'll bite it. So I'm glad that we went and got some fresh shrimp at our local bait shop. So the shrimp was tearing it up. So when you get out there, make sure you have multiple baits, and try to fish early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Don't do what I did, but that's, you know, that was the time that I could make it. I couldn't make it out there earlier. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. The weather is beautiful. Take advantage, get out there and enjoy this sunshine, this Florida sunshine state. And you know, even if the fishing isn't so hot, enjoy your time, you know. Have a good day on the beach with the fam. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate it. All the love you guys show on my videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.